Hey everyone, welcome back. Ever feel like you're navigating a minefield of questionable decisions at work? You know, the kind that make you want to pull your hair out? Well, today we're diving into 3 surprisingly effective, out-of-the-box techniques to not just survive, but actually thrive when you're dealing with someone who, let's just say, isn't exactly a strategic genius. First up, master the art of the strategic pause. Instead of immediately reacting to a less than brilliant idea, take a beat. This gives you a moment to collect your thoughts and, more importantly, allows the other person to potentially self-correct. Sometimes a little silence is the most powerful feedback. Next, let's talk about reframing. Instead of directly pointing out flaws, try to reframe their idea in a way that highlights potential challenges or alternative perspectives. Think of it as gently guiding them towards a better outcome rather than shutting them down. For example, you could say, "That's an interesting approach. Have we considered how this might impact X, Y, and Z?" And finally, my personal favorite. Document everything, but with a smile. Keep clear, concise records of discussions, decisions, and action items. This isn't about being petty. It's about clarity and accountability. When things go sideways, having a factual record can be incredibly helpful, and doing it with a positive attitude ensures you maintain your own peace of mind. So there you have it. 3 ways to navigate those tricky situations with grace and a little bit of wit. I hope these tips help you not only survive, but truly flourish. Thanks for watching, and if you found this helpful, consider following for more practical advice.